Hello everyone, join me as I take on the challenge of building my own digital empire from scratch in just 30 days. Building a digital empire is no longer just a nice to have, it's a must have in today's economy. With the rise of online shopping, social media, and digital communication, the opportunities for financial freedom are endless, and I'm excited to share with you how you can tap into this potential and create your own digital empire. When it comes to starting an online business, many of us face common challenges. One of the biggest hurdles is lack of knowledge. We often don't know where to start or what steps to take to turn our ideas into reality. Another challenge is resources. We might not have the funds or the network to get our business off the ground, and then there's fear of failure. What if we invest our time and money and it all doesn't work out? What if I told you that these challenges are not unique to you? Every successful entrepreneur has faced these exact same obstacles at some point in their journey, and yet they persevered and found a way to overcome them. The truth is, success is not about avoiding failure, but about learning from our mistakes and using them as stepping stones to growth. So, if you're feeling overwhelmed or uncertain about where to start, just know that you're not alone. The fear of failure is a major obstacle that holds many people back from taking the leap and starting their online business. But the truth is, failure is not the opposite of success, it's a part of it. Every successful entrepreneur has experienced failure at some point in their journey. The key is to learn from those failures and use them as an opportunity to grow and improve. When it comes to building a digital empire, there are many different avenues you can take. One popular option is e-commerce, building an online store and selling physical or digital products. Another option is creating and selling online courses, sharing your knowledge and expertise with others and getting paid for it. And then there's affiliate marketing, promoting other people's products and earning a commission for each sale made through your unique referral link. The key is to find an avenue that resonates with you and your passions, and to focus on building a loyal audience and providing value to them. For example, if you're passionate about fitness, you could build an e-commerce store selling fitness gear and supplements. Or, if you're an expert in a particular area, you could create an online course teaching others what you know. Possibilities are endless, and the key is to find what works for you and to focus on building a loyal audience. One of the most successful digital empires I've seen is built around affiliate marketing. The owner of the empire built a website and social media presence around a particular niche and then partnered with brands to promote their products to their audience. The result was a 7-figure income and a loyal following of fans who looked up to them as an authority in their niche. But what's the key to success in building a digital empire? From my own experience, I can tell you that it's all about the mindset. You see, building a digital empire requires a certain level of risk-taking and a willingness to step outside your comfort zone. It requires a growth mindset, a belief that you can learn and grow and improve with time, and it requires a focus on providing value to others, building a loyal audience and giving them what they need and want. For me, building a digital empire is not just about financial freedom, it's about freedom of time and location as well. I want to be able to work from anywhere, at any time, and to have the freedom to pursue my passions and interests. And I know that's the same for many of you. So how did I get started on my own digital empire building journey? Well, I'll let you in on a little secret. I didn't start with a clear plan or a roadmap. I started with a desire to learn and to grow, and a willingness to take action to figure out things as I went. And that's exactly what I want to encourage you to do as well. In summary, building a digital empire is not rocket science. It's about taking action, being willing to learn and grow, and focusing on providing value to others. It's about believing in yourself and your abilities, and being willing to take risks and step outside your comfort zone. So what's holding you back from building your own digital empire? I want to hear from you in the comments below on what's your digital business idea and what's holding you back from taking action. And don't forget to tune in to my next video where I'll be sharing more in-depth strategies on building your digital empire.